Hi, my name's Neil Rose and I'm the lecturer on BA Hon's Film and Screen Arts at Arts University Plymouth. On Film and Screen Arts, your creativity meets the contemporary world of filmmaking. This course is very practical and hands-on, immersing you in the production and aesthetics of film. Our students explore a diverse range of techniques to design and create compelling stories, designed for entry in international film festivals and the independent film stage. From cinematography to editing, screenwriting, production and set design to visual effects, we cover it all. Dive into the world of screen direction, sound production and experimental image making. You'll gain hands-on experience and get stuck into real-world projects with expertise and previous visiting lectures from industry names like BBC Natural History Unit's Maria Norman and award-winning director Ben Wheatley. There are many diverse career paths open to you as independent filmmakers, production designers, editors and more. Join our global alumni participating in prestigious festivals and galleries worldwide, including the Berlin Fashion Film Festival, Edinburgh International Film Festival and Tribeca Film Festival. At Arts University Plymouth, you'll have access to our cutting-edge facilities. You can use our film studios, green screen studios, post-production spaces, stop-motion spaces, sound recording booths, and our equipment store stocked with over 6,000 pieces of specialist media equipment like ARRI Alexa cameras, 16mm and 8mm film camera kit and hand processing, studio-quality lighting, and sound recording kits, all supported by our expert technicians. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. It has a dynamic cultural scene, including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our film and screen arts course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.